A-level differentiation, this is a bonus question. June 2015 P1 question before. The variables u, x and y are given. Is reminiscent of O-level simultaneous equations. Express u in terms of x. It's basically saying u should only have the variables x. So why does it have the variable y? In order for that, what we'll do is we'll take up this second equation. We have two equations, remember? We will make y the subject and plug that in over here. Remember y was also in terms of x. All of the variables over here in fact are just in x. When we plug that in, 12 minus x over 3 instead of y, we solve for u and we come up with this. This is simple plain algebra. What I did was, the only thing technical was that I took LCM over here and it became 3x over 3. Once we solve that, the question says find the stationary value of u. In order to find the stationary value of u, what do? You differentiate that equation and put it equals to 0. So we'll differentiate it and put it equals to 0. Now we don't have a differentiated equation. Now if I were to find du by dx, what will that be? It will be 8 minus 2 will come down, multiply with 8 over 3 x. Now I need to put this equals to 0. I will take the 8 on the other side, it will become negative. I will solve for x and I will get the value of x as 3 by 2. Now what does the question say? Find the stationary value of u. We've just differentiated u with respect to x and put it equals to 0. We got the value of x. They're asking the value of u. What do we do for that? We will pick this value up and plug it back into the equation where we had made u the subject. That's what the question asked us to do at the start, remember? So I will write u over here as it is again. And now this time around, instead of the values of x, let me show you, hold on. Instead of these values, I will plug in the value of x as 3 by 2. And once I do that, this is what it looks like, right? So 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 whole square, if I solve that, simple plain arithmetic, 3 by 2 multiplied with 24 by 3 gives us 12. And we will obviously take the square first. Why? Because BODMAS says order first. Order is basically referring to exponent or power or index. We multiply that, we get 12 minus 6, u is 6, and that is the final answer.